It was honestly a learning journey for all of us in a way. And I think that's where like Noah came in so handy.
All of the tiny house villages, communities that we were looking into, they had to have some kind of certification that your house was to code.
Yeah.
Some kind of code, safe. For DIYers, where do you go to get your house checked up and feel like you're safe and feel like you will be allowed into these other places when you bring your tiny home up their driveway?
There was a minute there where we were like stuck, like we were not moving forward because it was important to us that we get this place inspected in some fashion so that we knew that like everything was, you know, gonna work properly and there were no dangers because yeah, we were building it to live in it, you know, for long term.
She found Noah.
I found them on a whim, like truly, like it just like came up on like an internet search one day. Throughout the inspection process, there were some things that we would fail and we'd have to like go back and redo it and be inspected again. And
It's tough.
they had like a really cool feature where you could have a consultation before your inspection and kind of ask all your questions and just like make sure you were gonna pass. So we took advantage of that. All the people were like so helpful. We had a great inspector. It was truly the thing that got us rolling again because suddenly like they gave us kind of like a blueprint for how to move forward when we were all kind of stuck. And it also just provided that peace of mind to have other eyes on it, you know, and saying like, yeah, okay, yes, this looks good. I would definitely recommend Noah to anybody who's doing like a DIY build because they were instrumental to our build for sure.